well, where in fact pictures coming in, all right, from the Kerala Chief Minister as well, some fresh visuals coming in. Let's cut across live to that. All right, Niamika is joining us at this point of time because we're told that that cobbling together the alliance there as far as the Congress meeting as well, the Congress parliamentary or the legislative meeting to be held with the observers present is very, very important as well. What really are we looking at, Niamika, in terms of the decision making within the Congress party? Multiple options, at least three faces who are staking claim. We are told V.D. Sathesh, Ramesh Chennithala and K.C. Venugopal are the likely chief ministerial faces. Has a decision been taken and has that decision been communicated to the legislators yet?
Well, yes, these are the three contenders for the chief ministerial post in the state of Kerala, and today there is a high-level meeting which is going to take place as the two observers which are being appointed by the Congress High Command, including Mr. Mukul Vasik and Mr. Ajay Maken, are being present there. They are going to hold discussions with the elected MLAs that what are their opinions, what are their viewpoints regarding the chief ministerial candidate. But just before that particular meeting, we have seen that how the visuals have started coming in from the KPCC office. There are some posters which have been put out by the Indian Youth Congress and the other Congress members portraying the picture of Mr. K.C. Venugopal as the chief ministerial candidate. As this was a demand which was being raised even during the time when the election results have come out. Soon after that, there were certain members of the Congress party who had came just outside the KPCC office with the large flexes as well as the cutouts of K.C. Venugopal stating that he should be declared as a chief ministerial candidate. It is also being told to us by the sources within the Congress party that majority of the MLAs are also demanding that K.C. Venugopal should be the chief minister. But on the other side, there is a pressure which is being mounted by the alliance partners as well. IUML is one of those alliance partners who are basically backing Mr. V.D. Sathesh for this particular post, as they are not in favor of K.C. Venugopal to be declared as the chief ministerial candidate. But on the other side, it is Mr. Ramesh Chennithala as well, who is the very senior leader of the Kerala Congress. As yesterday only he was here in the national capital. He held meeting with the Congress High Command, including Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge, where he has put forward his demand to be declared as a chief ministerial candidate, because he has basically stated that in the past as well he was been declared.
Niamika, stay with us. We're going to come back to you for more updates on this developing story. For the moment, we're slipping into a quick break. I'd like to thank all our reporters for joining us with their inputs. But more breaking news, more updates, and the best of coverage, the widest of reportage that you'll be seeing right here on Times Now. Stay tuned.